Hello, today I will guide you on how to fix OneDrive error 0x80071129 on Windows 11 and 10. Step 1. Understand the error. The error code 0x80711129 usually appears with a message. An unexpected error is keeping you from moving the file, followed by the tag present in the reparse point buffer is invalid. This error commonly relates to OneDrive and can occur due to a corrupted sync or invalid file pointer. Step 2. Run reset command for OneDrive. Copy and paste the following command into the search menu. Press enter to execute the command. This will reset OneDrive. After a few moments, OneDrive will restart. If it doesn't, you can launch it manually from the start menu. After the reset, you may need to sign back into your OneDrive account to resume syncing. This process should resolve the 0x871129 error in most cases. If the issue persists, consider checking your file permissions or doing a clean reinstall of OneDrive. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Hope this helped and see you in the next one.